Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, we got ACD back in the house, people. And he's showing his generosity. He's allowing you all to download a free Watchface for 3 days. People, count them up, 3 days. On the 2nd, for the 3rd, and on the 4th, people. So make sure you get your download on right after this video. So let's take a look and see what this Watchface has to offer. Now, already I'm loving the design, the layout, and everything looks beautiful. We've been trying to get you ready for the weekend with different Watchfaces to choose from, whether it be analog, whether it be digital. But I'm gonna tell you, if you're just hanging out on a casual day, this is definitely one of the Watchfaces you wanna play for this weekend. So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's go have a look. Now the name of the Watchface is called ACD Fitness Time. Very nice looking watch face, people. Worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. All right, so in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look. It's gonna pretty much look like what you see when the watch face is on. It's just gonna be in a black and white theme. That's not bad at all. But when the watch face is on, the design is nice. I thought it was off the charts. I'm giving the guy 4 thumbs up in the door with no problem. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the watch face, right, and what it offers. Now, up at the top, you're gonna get the year. You're gonna get shortcuts. You're gonna get step status. You're gonna get everything you can possibly need out of this watch face, right? So up at the top, you're gonna get your shortcuts, and they are interactive. So you can just simply tap on whichever one you want to get that information. You need to make a phone call, you can. Same thing with your music. Same thing with S-Voice for those of you all who want S-Voice or use it. There it is. You come down, you get the day of the week, you get your date, your month, you get your digital time, which I like the separation. I like unique watch faces. This one here is no exception. I think it's beautiful. Down at the bottom, you will get your step status for those of you all who are going to be exercising this weekend. Again, this one here is one of the ones you need to put on your wrist. All right, in the middle, you get your heart rate, coffee, water intake, floors climb, and also right here on the side, your battery percentage. Now, way down at the bottom is going to be your calories burned. So what do you think, people? I thought it was a nice look for a watch face. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one. I thought he did his thing. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Now, in the center, I know you're asking, you're thinking, well, what is that? It is an analog running speed 0 to 20. Okay? All right, with that being said, we can customize the color of this watch face, right? And I'm going to double tap in the center, and you have several colors that you can change this to color coordinate with whatever it is that you're going to be wearing for the weekend, and or just pick your favorite color. It gives you quite a few to choose from, and I thought they were nice offerings. All right, you all. So what do you think? At the end of the day, it's all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're going to be going to download it. This is my nighttime watch face right here. All right, you all. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Share this video with other people. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell on the way out so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all. It's the weekend. I need for you to be safe, enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.